mansub. So if followed by noun, that is isme nakra, mansub and light, then la means absolutely not. So we just remember there are three combination actually. One is ma and laisa. They make the khabar khabar as mansub. Ma plus b, laisa b, this laisa plus b, not at all. And the last is la followed by isme nakira, mansub and light. So we just do some revision for this example. So I would go to brother Hamid Naeem. Wa alaikum assalam. Brother Hamid Naeem, first question is, if Muslimun, is it marfu, mansub or majroor? If the word I say Muslimun.
Yeah, it can be, the word Muslimun as it is can be marfu or...
So it is marfu. Muslimun is
marfu.
Marfu. What is mansub and majroor for Muslimun?
It's the same word. Same, Muslimun, Muslimun, Muslimun.
Are you sure?
Muslimin.
Muslimin. Hamid bhai, Muslimin is mansub and Muslimin is majroor. Okay, Hamid bhai, next is mu'minun. Is it marfu, mansub or majroor?
Marfu.
Okay, and what will be the mansub and majroor?
Mu'minin.
Mu'minin is mansub and what is majroor?
Mu'minin.
Mu'minin. Okay. Okay, let's see. The task is for you that they are Muslim. What will be the Arabic for that? They are Muslims.
Hum Muslimun.
Hum Muslimun. This is Jumla Ismiya. And if I say they are not Muslims,
Ma hum Muslim, I should be. Lahum Muslimun.
Again?
The marfu status.
Yeah. Can you please say again? I could not hear. They are not Muslim.
Mahum Muslimun.
Ma. So when we put ma, what happened?
It becomes mansub. Mahum Muslimin.
Muslimin. This is okay. Okay. I repeat again question just for, so that other can learn from it again. Just it's Sarvi and Hamid bhai. Sorry. They are Muslims.
Mahum.
They are
Muslims. Hum Muslimun.
Okay. Muslimun is marfu, mansub or majroor?
Marfu.
What will be mansub of mu'minun?
Muslimin.
Muslim.
Mahum
Okay.
Muslimin.
See, now question. Focus on the question, then answer, please. They are not Muslims.
Mahum Muslimin. Mahum Muslimin.
Why you change the Muslimun into Muslimin?
When it is a negative sentence, it will become the mubtada becomes mansub.
Okay, so again their question arises again, so we have to go back. If it is hum Muslimun, okay, what is mubtada and what is khabar?
Okay, it's
just the sentence is hum Muslimun. What is mubtada and what is khabar?
It will be hum is
mubtada and Muslimun is
khabar.
Khabar. So when we put ma before mubtada, so what will become the mansub? Khabar.
Khabar here, khabar is becoming mansub.
Yeah. So I just repeat question because you said mubtada. So khabar, okay. So you said ma hum muslimin. If we put laisa, replace ma with laisa.
It'll be the same.
Say again,
Laisa.
Say it in Arabic, please.
Okay. Laisa.
Yes.
Laisa hum muslimin.
Muslimin.
Laisa muslimin. Laisa muslimin. Laisu muslimin.
Brother Rida, let him complete. So hum muslimun. So this will be, if we have to, because it is, but laisa. Okay. Laisa will do the same thing. Ma, add ma before mubtada and khabar become mansub. Add laisa before mubtada and khabar become mansub. Hamid, brother Hamid, everything is clear now?
Right.
Okay, thank you. Okay, one more task for you. use the combination of ma bi. They are not at all Muslims.
Laysa bi.
They are not at all. Yeah. Use ma bi combination. Go ahead.
Okay, I think as Laysa bihim Muslim.
You're right.
Laysa bihim.
But I am saying that use the combination of ma plus b.
Okay.
Ma.
Laysa bi Muslimu.
See here. Focus, please. Use the combination of ma plus b, not laysa b.
Okay.
Ma
bihim Muslimin.
Can we say ma hum?
Ma hum Muslimin. Yes.
B. Ma hum bi Muslimin.
I think I am bit
Ma
lost
plus
here.
B combination. Ma plus B combination. Ma hum bi Muslimin.
Ma hum bi Muslimin.
Yeah. Okay. So I would go to Brother Ashar.
Assalamu
alaikum. They are believers.
Yes.
Arabic?
Believers, hum mu'minun.
Mu'minun. So mu'minun is mansub, marfu or majroor?
Marfu.
Marfu. Okay. What will be the mansub and majroor for mu'minun?
Mansub and majroor are mu'minin.
Okay. They are not believers.
Ma hum mu'minin.
Ma hum mu'minin. Why you replace mu'minun with mu'minin?
Because mu'minin is khabar and mansub.
Mansub. Because of?
Because of ma.
Ma.
Yeah.
Okay. And can you please use the ma bi combination?
Yeah. So ma hum bi mu'minin.
Why now it becomes mu'minin? Because of mu'minin.
Because of B, mu'minin.
Because of B. B is what?
Majroor.
Yeah. B is what?
B is hurf jar.
Huruf jar. And now mu'minin is what? Here mu'minin is mansub.
Yes.
And here mu'minin is?
Majroor.
Because of B and this here. Okay. Thank you. Next, Brother Azhar. Can you please read this one? I did not see. Can you please just see this ayah, this one?
Yes, I did.
What is that?
Ma Allahu.
No, read it. You said va. There is no va.
Achha, ma Mallahu ghafil.
Ghafi.
Ghafilun.
Okay. Is there any mistake here?
Yes.
What is that?
It should be ghafilun.
It is already ghafilun.
Ghafilan, sorry.
Ghafilan. Why?
Due to ma makes the khabar mansub.
Mansub. So it will be what? Mallahu.
It should be ghafil. Allahu ghafilan.
Mallahu ghafilan. Translation?
Allah is not unaware.
Allah is not unaware. So you said that ghafilun is wrong because ma, if it is nafiya, so it khabar will be mansub and ghafil. Can you please use the ma plus b combination here and then what will happen?
Mallahu bi ghafilin.
Very good. Bi ghafilin. Yes. And the translation will be?
Allah is not at all unaware.
Unaware. Jazakallah khair. Thank you, Azhar bhai. So now I would go to Brother Ahmed.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam. Can you please just explain the combinations? First are ma plus Laisa. What will happen?
Ma before mubtada changes the khabar to mansub. Laisa does the same thing, and it is the least strong
okay. Laisa, what Laisa do?
Change the khabar to mansub.
Change the khabar to
Mansub.
Mansub.
Yeah.
Okay.
When it comes before mubtada, it changed the khabar to mansub.
Okay, and then next combination is?
Ma, the next combination is strongest negation. It's ma B combination, and
Or
it is not at all. And Laisa B combination is the same, not at all.
not at all. Okay, can you please just take this ayah? وَمَا
وَمَا هُمْ بِخَارِجِينَ خَارِجِينَ مِنْ نَارٍ
minan nar.
مِنَ
Okay,
النَّارِ.
can you please explain where is mubtada, where is khabar?
Hum is mubtada,
Okay,
and kharijin kharijina min nar is khabar.
is it khabar or
Uh,
B?
sorry.
متعلق بالخبر.
متعلق بالخبر. Sorry.
Because jar is coming. Okay.
Yes.
Why it is kharijin? Because of what?
Because of B, it changes to majroor.
Majroor. What is the marfu form of kharijin?
Kharijin. Oh, sorry. Kharijun.
Kharijun. So because of B, it changed into
Majroor kharijin.
Kharijin. Okay. Now can you please translate it?
And they are not at all coming out from fire.
Fire. Kharijin means those who comes out. Those who comes out. Okay. Okay. What about? Okay. Thank you. Yeah. Okay, brother Javed Rasul.
Yes, assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam. This last ayah, la ikraha.
Okay, la ikraha fid deen. I think this law is from this la nafiyatul lil jins.
La nafiyatul jins should be
followed by ism nakra, and it should be mansub.
And
light.
Then la meaning will be
absolutely not.
Absolutely not. Otherwise, la meaning is just not.
Not.
Yeah, but here la, if this is followed by ism nakra, mansub, and light. So can you please just combine the translation for this?
La ikrah.
Ikrah means compulsion.
Okay, there is absolutely no compulsion in the religion.
No, in the religion. So, okay, thank you. So, can you please just explain how to make Jumla Ismiya negative?
So, for Jumla Ismiya negative, to make it negative, there are three ways. First is adding ma or laisa before the mubtada, and the khabar will become mansub. The other two are ma plus b and laisa plus b combination. This is not at all. And the third is la nafiyatul jins. If la followed by a noun, that is ism nakra and mansub.
Ism nakra, mansub.
Then it means absolutely not.
Yeah, this is the most strongest negation.
Most strongest one.
Okay. So this is all about the revision. So next we have today, we will just start it. The second type of sentence, that is a verbal sentence. These sentences start with verb. Nominal starts with noun, and these sentences start with verb or fi'l and must have fa'il and fi'l. Maf'ul may or may not be present. We know that in sentence there should be fa'il, fi'l, and then maf'ul. The important part of that such sentence in verbal sentence, there is a fa'il, there must be fi'l, and maf'ul may or may not be there. If we see here, and maf'ul is mansub, nasara. Nasara means he helped. So there is fa'il. What is fa'il here? There is inside doer, that is he. So he is basically here fa'il, and nasr, failed the action. So nasara means he helped. Nasaru, they helped. Nasarat, she helped. So he, they, and she, these are called inside doer or fa'il. So whenever you see that there is this rule where we revise this many times, we use it many times in translation. So this is first time we are going to do it here. So whenever you see, look for outside doer when inside doer is he or she, only in Madi or Mudare. whenever there is he or she is inside doer in Madi and Mudare, so you have to look for outside doer. So look for outside doer should be marfu status. Outside doer should be after the verb, and outside doer should match only in gender but not in number. Like here, nasar al muslimu. So if you look at this nasar al muslim, first of all, is it jumla ismiya or jumla fe'liya? Because it starts with verb, so it is jumla fe'liya. Now you just look for inside doer. So inside doer is basically he. So there it is madi. There must be outside doer, and outside doer should be in marfu status and should be after the verb, and it should just match in gender but not in number. So this is, so we have to, nasara means he helped, al muslimu. So translation will be, you have to start with outside doer. So Muslim helped. Muslim helped if it is marfu here. Similarly, nasara al muslimani, about two Muslim. Nasara al muslimuna, this is plural. And similarly for feminine dual, muslimatun, muslimatani, and then muslimatun. So let's take this one. Khalaqallahu al-arda first. So I would go to Brother Iqbal Shahid.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.
So, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. خلق الله الأرض. So, khalaqa has.
First of all, we have to, it is nominal sentence or verbal sentence?
It is a verbal sentence because it has a verb and it has.
It starts with verb.
It starts with verb, yes.
Okay, to start with verb. Okay.
And it has the doer or the file.
It has the inside doer, and that is?
And that is he.
He. If there is inside doer is he, what we have to do?
We may look for an outside doer.
And outside doer should be?
It should be in marfu status.
Marfu and just come after verb. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Allah is fa'il, so this is verb. And what about arda?
Arda is the maf'ul.
Maf'ul.
Or the subject.
Okay. So how you will translate here?
Allah created the earth.
Allah created the
earth.
Okay. Thank you. So next one more, I would go to Brother Hamid Shakil. Brother Hamad, sorry. Sorry, Hamad.
Yeah. Wakatala Dawudu Jaluta. So wakatala is actually the verb.
Verb. So it's a verbal sentence.
It's a verbal sentence, and the katala is verb. And there's an inside doer who are he. And we will be looking for the outside doer in marfu form, which is Dawudu and Jaluta.
Jaluta is what?
Jaluta is maf'ul.
Because it is?
It is mansub.
Mansub. Okay.
Yeah. And okay, so and Dawood killed Jalut.
Okay. Just for learning purpose, we if we change here, just for learning purpose here. Yeah. So it is, if it is like this, waqatala Daawuda Jaluta, just change, because by mistake sometime we read and we are not taking care about this haraka. So if it is like this, then the translation will be?
The translation will be Jalut killed Dawood.
How you started with Jalut?
Because Jalut is a marfu and this is marfu.
So when there is inside doer, we have to look for outside doer, that is maf'ul. So this Dawuda is not marfu. So we have to look for another one. So Jalutu is
marfu. So this
marfu.
Is doer. Yeah.
So fa'il is what?
Jalutu.
Jalut. And Dawood here becomes what?
Maf'ul.
Maf'ul, that is mansub. So here meaning will be, translation will be?
Changed. So the Jalut killed Dawood.
So this is very important that we have to take care about. Only the haraka are changing and translation will change. So verbal sentence starts with fa'il, verb, and it had three things: fa'il, fail, and maf'ul. Fa'il and fail will always be there. Maf'ul is mansub. It may or may not be present. If there is in madi or mudare inside doer, like nasara, inside doer is he, nasarat, inside doer is she, or also in for mudare, if the inside doer is he or she, you have to look for outside doer, and outside doer should be marfu status, and it should be after verb, and says the outside door should match only in gender but not in number. The marfu status we have to look. I think we should go for practice. Inshallah, we will revise them again in next week for Jumla Ismiya and Jumla Failia, and these are very important. So we just go for practice so everybody get a chance.